Okay, dude. So let's first discuss this first sum. This is from the first paper which you have sent me, and this is the first sum of the first paper which is coming in our syllabus. Like here, they have asked you to rectify the entries. Yes. So first, actually, they haven't asked you to rectify the entries. They have asked you to prepare the suspense account ledger, and we will prepare the suspense account ledger after passing the rectifying entries like this. Okay. So the first question which they are asking is, okay, dude. So the first question which they are asking is, purchases account was overcast by 110. You know purchases. Purchases. The normal entry is purchases debit and uh, cash credit or creditor credit, whoever it is. Yes. And now it has been overcast. Overcast means ज़्यादा हो गया है. Yes. And to rectify it, what do you have to do? You will have to credit purchases. Yes. Whenever it is overcast, yes, normally you debit purchases to record it, but it has been overcast, तो उसका बैलेंस कम करना पड़ेगा. बैलेंस कम करने के लिए purchases को credit करना पड़ेगा. Yes. And we will do two purchases. Like purchases is going to be credited, that is the for sure. What are we going to debit? We are going to debit suspense. So the entry becomes suspense account debit to purchases 110. Okay. Then we move on to the second one, which is $13 का discount allowed has been credited to discount allowed account as 115. Okay. So the entry for discount allowed is, suppose I'm writing it as DA, discount allowed debit. Yes. To the person whom you are giving it to, Ram, to Shyam, whoever it is. Yes. But here what they have done, they have credited it on the other hand. They have credited it. Discount allowed has been credited by 15. So first I need to rectify this crediting mistake, and then I need to record the normal discount allowed. Okay. So to rectify the credited thing, I'll do discount allowed $15, and to record this, uh, sorry, it's not 15, it's 13. Yes. And to record this discount allowed, I will do again plus 13. Okay. So discount allowed account debit to suspense. Yes, 13 plus 13, which is 26. Okay. So I've written it as discount allowed account debit to suspense. By mistake, I've written 30 30. It will be 26 and 26, which is double the amount. Yes. I hope you have understood this. In case has been credited to the discount. Okay, sorry. Wait. There are two figures in this. 13 and $13 and $15. Okay. So see, discount allowed, it should have been debited. Yes. Like discount allowed, it should have been debited. So discount allowed 13. But by mistake it has been credited as rupees 15. Credited to the discount allowed account only. Yes. So to rectify that, we will now debit $15. So we will write discount allowed account debit 13 plus 15 to suspense. Okay, so it will be 28. Okay, so here the figure which I have written over here is wrong. It will be 28. I hope you have understood why. And then we move on to the next one, which is number 3, payment for insurance. It is insurance account debit. We record insurance like this to cash 220 or whatever. Yes, but by mistake it has been recorded as 202 instead of 220. It has been recorded as 202. So it has been correctly recorded in the cash book. So this cash thing, it is 220 only. Yes, over here in the insurance thing, it has been debited as 202. So now insurance needs to be debited by 18 rupees more to make it 220. Yes or no? So it will be insurance account debit to suspense 1818. Yes. Next, number 4, commission received $65 has been debited to the account for commission payable. See, for commission received is an income, so it is credited. So it is credited, like normally it is credited cash to commission received. I'm writing it as CR 6565. Yes. But what has happened over here is that by mistake it has been debited to the commission payable account, like CP. I'm writing it as CP. By mistake it has been debited. 65 has been debited. Yes. So we need to correct both. We need to reverse this commission payable which has been wrongly debited, and we need to record this commission received which needs to be credited. So we will write, to correct the wrong one, we will credit to commission payable $65, and to record it correctly we will write to commission receipt 65, and then we will write suspense account debit 130. So now after this we move on to uh, number 5. Cash drawings were entered in the cash book but were credited to the drawings account. Again, drawings is an expense, so it should have been debited. I'm just writing DRAW. It should have been debited, but by mistake it has been credited. It should have been drawings to cash, but now it has been credited, like it is two drawings. And what has been debited we don't know, but we don't care as well. Yes. So first we need to debit the wrong part. Yes, we need to like this thing which has been credited by mistake, we need to debit it, and this thing which actually needs to be debited we need to do as well. Yes. So that's why it has been drawings account debit. Yes, it is 85 plus 85. The first 85 is for correction of the mistake, like it had been wrongly credited, so now I'm debiting it. The second 85 is for recording the actual thing which has happened, which is 85 plus 85 is equal to 170, and to suspense. And next one, dude, number 6, the cost of vehicle repair is 190, has been debited to the motor vehicles account. Yes. So like normally the entry for repairs is repairs account debit, yeah, to cash or whatever. Yes, because repairs is an expense, but by mistake it has been debited to the motor vehicle account. Okay, dude, by mistake it has been debited to the motor vehicle account to cash. Yes, so this is wrong. So this motor vehicle account needs to be credited, the wrong thing needs to be credited. There is no problem with cash. Cash has been credited correctly in both the places. Yes, and this repairs account needs to be debited. Yes, because this is the actual expense. This is the way which we should have recorded it. Yes, so it is repairs account debit to motor vehicles 190 190. Yes, and 1 minute. And then payment of $100 to Robert has been posted to the account of Roberta. When we make a payment to Robert, it is Robert to cash. Yes, but by mistake what has happened is that it has become Roberta to cash. Yes, so now we will credit the thing which has been debited wrongly. Yes, and we will debit the thing which should have been debited in the first place. Okay, so it is Robert account debit to Roberta $100 $100. Now in the sum, this if you do this thing, if you do just this thing and leave it, yeah, you will get a 0, because they haven't even asked you to prepare to pass rectifying journal entries. They have asked you to prepare this suspense account. Yes, so now what you are going to do is, you are going to do like you are going to prepare the suspense account. You are going to post all of this to the ledger. Yes, what are you going to do? You are going to, like, since you are preparing the suspense account, you are not looking at suspense, you are looking at the other one. Purchases has been credited over here, so you will write it on the debit side. Yes, and then discount allowed has been debited over here. Suspense we are not going to look at it. Discount allowed has been debited, so we are going to credit it. Yes, and here insurance has been again been debited, so we are going to write it on the credit side. Just like that, you keep on posting, and suspense, and here these two things has been credited, So we will write it on the debit side as commission payable and commission received. Yes. And just like that, you'll post drawings as well on the credit side because it has been debited. And these two won't go to the suspense account because suspense account is not there only. And this thing, then you will find the balance, and that's what you're supposed to do.